Once the installation of Visual Studio has been completed successfully, you will get this dialog box to sign in to a Microsoft account. And you may be wondering what this is going to do for you. Well, as part of the description of this message tells you, it will help you, for example, to synchronize the different configurations between devices. That is, if you choose a dark theme, for example, in this instance of Visual Studio, and then log on to a different computer, that same configuration with the font size, with the backgrounds you choose, and other colors will go to that new instance of Visual Studio that you have installed. It will also allow you to collaborate in real time with a feature called Live Share, and will allow you to use Azure services, so you can deploy, for example, a service you need. And as a last point, although they don't mention it here, but it's very important for you to know, is for you to get a key to use this software, because if you don't register or if you don't log into the Visual Studio service, you're practically going to lose access after a month or so. So let's proceed to log in. I'm going to quickly type in an email account and password for this email. Once we have logged in, we see that this first Visual Studio window is launched, which will allow us to clone repositories, opening projects, open a local folder, create new projects, and so on. Then we are ready to continue.